One of the biggest obstacles to getting people to urgently care about climate change is that you usually can't see it happening. For example, there are more and more carbon dioxide molecules in the air every day, but they're invisible. Increasingly, though, we really can see it. Here is what climate change looks like. That there on your screen is the result of glaciers melting this week in Greenland. 11 billion tons of ice melted in just 24 hours, according to Danish officials. It was the biggest single-day melting event since July 2012. And studies have shown that melting at this level usually happens only once every 250 years. Throughout the month of July, more than 200 billion tons of water melted off Greenland's ice sheet. And that is so much water that it actually raised sea levels worldwide by 0.5 millimeter. Think about that for a second. This week's melting is a result of that recent European heat wave you've probably heard about that has now reached Greenland. Temperatures on the island have been up 15 to 30 degrees above normal. And according to preliminary data, July was the hottest month ever recorded on our planet. And we know that in the Arctic, warming is happening about twice the rate of the worldwide average, which means that what we're seeing in the Arctic now is a kind of look into the future for the rest of the globe. And it's not looking good. Along with the melting, large swaths of the Arctic are literally on fire. Wildfires are raging in Russia over an area the size of Belgium. And we're seeing disturbing examples of what climate scientists call feedback loops. Those fires in the Arctic are burning peat, which itself is releasing enormous amounts of carbon, which in turn contributes to more warming, creating ideal conditions for more fires, which will release more carbon. And on the glaciers, melting ice creates dark pools of water, which absorb much more heat than the reflective white snow or ice would, speeding up even more melting. Climate change is the most pressing issue we face. But here's the sad fact, the outrageous fact. There's only one party in America willing to address it and have a conversation about what to do to save civilization as we know it.